What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes of a contemporary editorial high fashion shoot inspired by bold colors, contrast, clean lighting, and minimalism. Let's go shoot. For this first look, I decided to give my model, Juliana, complete creative freedom with the styling. I shared a reference image with her to show the direction I had in mind, and the look she came up with was perfect. An oversized brown coat paired with a yellow skirt. It strikes that perfect balance between elegance and edge. Let's go check in with Gloria and see how makeup is coming along.
Okay, so we started with a nice, clean and hydrated skin for the makeup to sit beautifully. Then we follow up with the eyes, building up layer by layer to create that vibe that we were following, and use pink tones. Of course, we added a liner and a lash to create the perfect pop that we needed for the camera. For the skin, we evened out the tones, added a little bit of contour and a little bit of blush to create that perfect dimension that we needed for the photos. Then we finish up the look, of course, with a perfect lip that brought out the whole entire look together, with a little bit of gloss for dimension and for the makeup to transfer very perfect into the camera.
All right, our model is ready. Let's shoot. I'm shooting with my Canon R5 paired with the RF 28 to 70mm f2 lens. This lens delivers that creamy compression and sharp editorial look that's perfect for portraits. I'm tethered to Capture One, which for me is a must on every studio shoot. For this setup, I'm keeping things simple, just one light. Sometimes less really is more. My key light is the Flashpoint XPLOR 600 Pro 2, paired with a large umbrella with diffusion, position camera left. This setup helps me evenly expose both the model and the background. To make that work, keep your subject relatively close to the backdrop. That's key to blending the light and achieving that seamless editorial feel. To trigger my light, I'm using the new Flashpoint R2 Nano Pro. Compared to the original R2 Nano, this version is a big step up. Better interface, improved reliability, and longer battery life. I'm shooting against a Savage Universal pink backdrop. It adds a vibrant pop of color that plays beautifully with the wardrobe tones. At one point, I noticed the shadows on her right side were a bit too dark, so I added a V-flat Whirl V-flat on that side. It made a subtle difference, but completely worth it. My camera settings were 1/200 at f5, ISO 200, strobe power 1/16. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts about those images. You could achieve this look with just one light, a V-flat to fill in the shadows, and a perfect model with perfect styling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.